Yo, hello everyone. So today I want to show you this amazing KREA Open Beta AI software. This is a website. For now you just need to register and you can use it for free, which is amazing. And I bet soon they will make it on the pay, because this is an amazing site. So first of all, I want to show you the image generator that uses a canvas we can draw on, and then the image changes live. This is amazing feature. So let's get into it. So here you have the canvas, here you have the prompt, you just type in what you want to generate, and here's the generated image. Here you can select the style of the image. I will go with cinematic for now. Also here you have the AI strength, and this is very important because if you push it to the limit, so he will ignore what you're drawing here. So just put it around 0.7, and now let's just draw something. I will ask the AI to generate a man watching TV in the living room. Alright, so that's what he gave me. If the canvas is completely clear, let me now paint it in blue, and let's see. I want to try to do it like more cinematic, so let's see what it will give me. Wow, that is interesting already. And I just painted everything blue and he gave me the teal look, which is an amazing look. Let's try to edit something orange and let's see if it will make it like a lamp in the room or something, maybe here. Yo, that's crazy. Wow. But I don't like this lamp, so let's go back, Command Z. Maybe somewhere around here. Okay, that's better. That looks cool. Let's try to add a window or something. I think I just draw this and he thinks that that's the television, so I need to edit the prompt. So I will type a man watching TV in a living room. In a living room with a window. And now let's try to make the window more window. I'm just bad at drawing, but I bet if somebody draws amazing, he can make something very amazing in this app. Alright, we went completely off. I don't like it at all. Let's go back. Yeah, now we got it. This looks very cool. Let's try to add a young man to the prompt. Oh, this is crazy. Alright, I played with it a bit. I got this result, which looks very cool. Let's say you have a storyboard and you want to show your client the mood. Let's press the quick enhance mode. It's already make it better. Right, I just pressed the quick enhance mode and this is what it did. Just amazing. Let's press it one more time and make it even more realistic, even more better. That's already looking completely real. And also we can send into the enhance and upscale mode, which is give you high resolution image and realistic image. So let's do it. As you can see, now we have the image here, we have the prompt, we have how much we want to upscale it, and the style. So let's go for photorealistic. Let's leave the settings as is, let's enhance it. It will take some time. Meanwhile, I'll show you the examples they have here. Look at this. This is the original image and this is after the AI enhancement. You can see it's not only upscaling, it's also editing elements, but what it think it should be in the picture. You see, I mean, here you can see it's added those mint leaves that doesn't even exist in the real picture. This is crazy too. Look at this. You have here this toy frog, and then he turns into like something amazing. Look at the change. So now we're waiting for our picture to be enhanced. Alright, so this is our image. Oh my god, looks amazing after the enhancement. The only problem is the remote, that is also a hand and a finger. I don't know why I did that, but the quality is just sick. You know, for something like a storyboard or something like that, or you know, building a reference for a shooting, and this is amazing. I bet there are amazing things you can do with this tool. This is called KREA AI. Go to use it. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Use the like button, use the thumbs up button, and comment. I would very appreciate that. And this channel live depending on your action, so please help us to grow. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.